Hi everyone, this is Shremay and today we would be discussing about a very simple procedure that is hand rub. What is hand rub? I guess we all know that. Hand rub is basically a procedure in which we are using an alcohol based solution and applying over our hands in order to protect ourselves from viable microorganisms. There are two types of hand rub, that is medical hand rub and surgical hand rub. For alcohol based hand rub, only article that we need is an alcohol hand rub. This alcohol hand rub is basically having a composition of 90% of ethanol or isopropyl alcohol. This is the base of making this hand rub solution. Moving forward with surgical hand rub. What is surgical hand rub? Surgical hand rub is also similar where we are using alcohol based solution hand rub in order to clean or to perform hand hygiene. But important part is this surgical hand rub is being performed when a physician finishes a surgery and goes to another surgery. That is in between two surgical procedures, the time gap when they have to perform another hand washing. Before that, this surgical hand rub is being done. As we have already discussed the use and the effectiveness of using a hand rub solution, let us see how surgical hand rub is being done. On an average, a surgical hand rub is being completed within 60 seconds. So let us see how it is being done. Okay. So we are going to use a right hand elbow over the faucet of the hand rub and sufficient 3 ml of solution should be taken into the hand. Make sure you take sufficient amount of solution. Dip your right hand fingertip over to the solution of 3 ml so that it is completely dipped and slowly try to rub the hand in a circular motion. Entire alcohol rub solution should be rubbed from the fingertip till the elbow in a circular motion where all the area is being covered. Similarly, we are going to do for the next hand, that is with your left hand, with your left elbow, we are going to take alcohol solution. Dip the left hand fingertip into the 3 ml of solution and then gradually make the rotatory motion where you are completely covering entire surface area of the hand from the fingertip till the elbow in a circular motion. Followed by which, after this, again the steps are very simple as we have done in medical hand wash. Make sure you take sufficient amount of solution, palm to palm in a circular motion, right palm over the left dorsum, vice versa, interlacing of the fingers, interlocking of the fingers, circular rotation over the left thumb by the right hand and vice versa. So by the time you do all these steps, you would be seeing that your alcohol based hand rub would be dried up. So my hand is completely dry. You are ready to go for the next surgical procedure. You can don your surgical gloves and you are ready. But always remember, certain steps that are being done after using an alcohol based hand rub that are being followed is completely wrong and you would be really scolded if we are in a surgical procedure or if we are doing in a OT. That is, often people do the mistake of using an alcohol based hand rub and then doing. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. These steps are to be avoided. If any surgeon or any physician sees that, that is really not appreciated. So your hand is completely ready. For more such nice, interesting and knowledgeable videos, connect with us, stay with us. Please like, share and subscribe Mediva.